All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. And this time we're going down a rabbit hole that's a little bit bizarre. I'll say that.
Yeah, you could say that.
A little bit out there.
Yeah.
We're talking about the intersection of Dogecoin,
Oh, yeah.
Donald Trump, and something called the Department of Government Efficiency.
You can't make this stuff up.
It sounds like the setup for a bad joke,
It does.
but it actually sent shockwaves through the crypto world.
Right. And I think what's really fascinating is how this unfolded.
Okay.
So Trump's at this rally at Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
Right? You know, just another day in the life of Donald Trump.
Right.
And he drops this phrase, the Department of Government Efficiency.
Okay.
Almost like a throwaway line, you know, like it's nothing.
And the Dogecoin community
Yes.
just erupts.
And the thing is,
Yeah.
there's no such thing.
There's no Department of Government Efficiency.
I mean, not officially.
That we know of.
Not that we know of, right? And so it's just this like very strange, ambiguous thing.
Yeah, but it's amazing to me because the Dogecoin community, they kind of took that and ran with it.
Oh, yeah, they're off to the races.
I mean, it's like,
Conspiracy theories.
yeah, they're trying to decode it like it's some kind of like cryptic message from Elon Musk.
Yeah, is there some sort of secret government program?
Right. Or
Is this going to affect the price of Dogecoin?
Right. Is there going to be some new regulation?
Yeah.
Is it a pump and dump scheme? I
Like
mean,
all of the above, maybe. Who knows?
and then you look at the price of Dogecoin, right?
Yeah.
And it shot up something like 15% in just 24 hours.
Which is huge for Dogecoin.
Yeah. I mean, it hit a market cap of $24 billion,
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Yeah, and it just shows you the power of, I guess you could call it meme magic.
Yeah.
But this time it has like a political twist to it, right?
Right.
So we're used to seeing, you know, Elon Musk tweet something and the price of Dogecoin goes up.
Right.
This is something totally different. This is like a political figure saying something that could be interpreted as, you know, pro Dogecoin.
Right. Is this a new kind of market manipulation?
Well, it raises the question, right?
Yeah. I mean, are we saying that Dogecoin is graduating from like meme coin status to something with like actual, clout or political influence?
Yeah, I mean, is this a sign that Dogecoin is becoming more than just a joke?
Right.
Is it becoming something that people are taking seriously?
Right.
I mean, it's hard to say,
Yeah.
but this definitely puts a new spin on things.
Yeah, absolutely now.
I mean, and the other thing is,
Yeah.
you have to remember how Dogecoin's price is determined.
Right.
It's proof of work, right?
Right. It's similar to Bitcoin in that way.
Exactly. So it's not like some, centralized authority is controlling it.
Okay.
It's really driven by supply and demand and
Yeah.
sentiment.
Yeah.
So when you have somebody like Trump, even mentioning it,
Right.
it creates this buzz,
Right.
and that can really impact the price.
Okay, so speaking of things that can impact the price, we have to talk about the whales in the room.
Ah, the whales.
Yeah. So there's this one Dogecoin wallet
Oh, yeah, this is a big one,
that holds like 21% of all the Dogecoins in circulation.
which is a crazy amount.
That's insane.
Ow.
It's just one entity. We're talking about a whale,
A big whale.
and they have that much influence over the market.
Yeah, I mean, imagine if that whale decided to sell,
Oh, gosh.
that the price would plummet.
Right.
But on the other hand, if they keep holding,
Yeah.
it could actually attract more investors.
So it's like a high-stakes game of follow the leader.
Exactly.
Now, to make matters even more complicated,
Yeah.
Dogecoin also makes up a huge chunk of the crypto trading that's happening on Robinhood.
Right, I think it's something like 62%.
62%.
Of all crypto trading on Robinhood is Dogecoin.
So what are the implications of that?
Well, it means that Dogecoin's price on Robinhood is very sensitive
Okay.
to changes in demand. So, if a lot of people start selling Dogecoin on Robinhood,
Yeah.
the price could drop pretty quickly.
Okay, so it's kind of like putting all your eggs in one basket,
Yeah, basically.
which can be good or bad.
It can amplify both the gains and the losses.
Okay.
So
right.
wait, there's more.
It gets even weirder.
Oh, yeah.
So as if this wasn't already wild enough,
Right.
a new token, also calling itself DOGE,
Another DE.
pops up.
A copycat.
It's like a crypto doppelganger.
Right. Trying to ride the coattails of the Trump rally?
So
What is going on?
what is going on?
It's like a crypto Wild West out there.
So break this down for me. How is this new DOGE different from the original Dogecoin?
Okay, so first of all, it's not built on the same system.
Okay.
The original Dogecoin is proof of work.
Right.
This new DOGE, it's trading on a completely different platform
Okay.
called Uniswap V2.
And what's that?
It's a decentralized exchange.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's not like, your typical crypto exchange.
Gotcha.
But here's the kicker.
Yeah.
This new DOGE, It's even more tightly controlled
The
than
original.
the original
So
Dogecoin.
you're telling me this new DOGE could be even riskier?
Well, it has the potential to be.
That's insane.
Yeah. I mean, the article that we looked at, Metin Yapıştırıldı, talked about how these copycat coins, they often pop up
Okay.
to exploit these trending events. So, you have the Trump rally, people are talking about Dogecoin,
Right.
and then suddenly this new DOGE appears,
Okay.
and people might think, oh, this is my chance to get in on the action.
Yeah.
But they don't realize that it's a completely different token.
Oh, so this is that fear of missing out.
Exactly. FOMO.
Okay. So what's the takeaway here for our listeners? What should they be thinking about?
Well, I think the big thing is to be really careful.
Okay.
Do your research.
Yeah.
Don't just jump into something
Right.
because you're afraid of missing out.
Don't let those emotions.
Exactly, especially in the crypto world.
Okay. So let's take a step back and try to make sense of all of this.
Yeah.
So we have Dogecoin, this meme coin that everyone loves.
Right.
It had this huge price surge.
Dude.
But this time it wasn't because of Elon Musk.
No.
It was because of Donald Trump.
Of all people.
This really raises a lot of questions about what's happening at the crypto market.
Yeah.
Are political events now going to start driving prices?
It's possible.
Is this a new trend that we need to be aware of?
I think so.
And then you have these whales.
Lurking in the shadows.
Yeah, these copycat coins.
It might have tricked people.
It's a wild world out there.
It is.
And I think the big takeaway is that this is not just about fun and games anymore.
Right.
There's real money involved,
A lot of money.
and the stakes are higher than ever.
Absolutely.
So do your research, stay informed.
Yeah.
And be careful out there.
Be very careful.
Well, this has been another deep dive, and I have to say this one has been particularly mind-blowing.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm still trying to process everything that we've talked about.
Me too.
But I think it's a good reminder that the crypto world is full of surprises.
And it's only getting crazier.
And who knows, maybe someday there actually will be a Department of Government Efficiency.
Maybe they're already working on it in secret.
All right, everyone, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.
See ya.